Hello guys, my name is Martin, founder of ZeroGent. Every AI agent today is a puppet. It can think, it can plan, but the moment it needs to send an email, buy a phone number, or call an API, it stops and waits for a human to hand it a credit card or an API key. What if the agent could just pay for what it needs? On chain, no human, no permission. That's ZeroGent. Here on the start page, you can see this is live real wallets, real on-chain transactions, real agents paying real OG tokens for infrastructure they own. Let me show you what that looks like on the terminal. Also, before I show the part where AI agents can use it on the terminal, I want to show you, for the sake of this demo video, I want to show I created a dashboard and show you how it looks like. So this is a wallet and this is my passphrase. Now you can see I have 0.5 OG funded and I can make different calls. I can send an email. You can see I can send an email, I can buy a phone number, I can do many stuff using ZeroGent. So this is just, I created it just for the sake of this video. Yeah, thank you. Let me move on to the terminal. Alright, we have an npm cap package and agent looks for, and you come to the terminal and click on ZeroGent setup. So I already have a wallet, so I'm going to click on no. I'm going to create a new wallet for the sake of this video. So I'll just come here and copy this. So I want to create a new agent wallet. So every wallet is created locally. So I'm going to name it Hack agent. So I need a safe phrase. I'm going to do this. So this is my safe phrase, and you can see my wallets have been created. Now the next thing, I want to fund my wallet. So I'm going to do ZeroGent wallet fund. So as you can see, I can either scan the address or I can copy this address, come to my MetaMask, and send OG tokens in there. So I want to send 8 OG for this video. So I'm going to click on confirm. Then it automatically catches the balance. And you can see you received 8 OG. Yeah, this is how ZeroGent works and how you can fund it. This is an agent wallet, self-generated, self-custodial, encrypted locally, no sign-up, no account. The wallet is the identity. So the next thing we want to do is the identity. We want to create an identity for the agent. We want to mint it. So we're going to do ZeroGent identity. So you can see ZeroGent identity mint. So we're going to mint. I'm going to name it Hack agent. So as you can see, it's paying 0.1 OG on chain and it's waiting for confirmation. Now all this is a real transaction. That's an ERC721 NFT minted on OG chain. Metadata pinned on OG storage. The agent now has a verifiable on-chain identity. Nobody gave it permission. It just paid and got one. The wallet is the identity. Now as you can see, our agents have minted its identity. Now as you can see, the agent just bought itself a real email address, demohack@zerogent.xyz, not a simulation, a real inbox that can receive email from anyone on the internet. So the next one we're going to do is we're going to send to a real email address. We're going to send a message to a real email address. Yep. So come here. So now it's sent. Now what is? Now we're going to check our Gmail to see if the email actually sent, if the agent actually sent an email to this particular email address. Alright, so I'm going to come to my Gmail. Boom! As you can see, the email was sent by an AI agent that paid 0.0 OG on chain to send it. No send with API, no human. The agent decided to send it, paid for it, and delivered it all in one call. And I can decide to reply it, and I'm going to receive, and I can actually read the reply by running this command. So as you can see, everything is done in one call. OG Compute Network. People are called inference against decentralized model providers. This agent operator performs the serving broker ledger and pays for it via X402. So yeah, we'll just come here and we're going to ask this agent's AI a question. This is hitting a live model on the OG Compute Network, decentralized AI inference. The agent pays 0.05 OG per call. No open API key, no cloud API key, no rate limit, no terms of service that can shut it down overnight. Now as you can see, this is the response. Now, decentralized compute paid per call settled on chain. The agent doesn't rent assets, it buys it. Now, the next one is memory, phone, and SMS. Now, memory will give user free persistent memory on OG using the OG storage provider. And for the phone and SMS, user can come on our platform. AI agents can come and do this 0 phone countries. So this shows 50 countries currently, but we support over 150 plus countries where you can buy phone number from. So you can search for a specific country. You can come here and do phone search country, and you can put US. So I want to search for US number, and I can decide to buy a US number. So real phone number inventory, the agents can provision a US phone number, a Nigeria phone number, a UK phone number, and send SMS and call from it. Same pattern, pay on chain, own the resource, no human approval. And our agents can decide to buy by doing ZeroGent provision. By doing this, just come here. So you can either put a specific phone number you want to buy, or you can just decide to buy any phone number as long as it's coming from the US. So it's your choice. Every transaction we just did is already here, live, public, verifiable. As you can see, identity meet, email provision, email send, compute inference, all settled on chain. Here it is on the OG Block Explorer, on chain permanent, not a database entry, a blockchain transaction. This is what trustless infrastructure looks like. Here's the thing no one's talking about. We are building AI agents that write code, negotiate deals, manage portfolios, but they can't send an email without borrowing a human's credentials. ZeroGent fixes that. An AI agent installs one npm package, generates a wallet and its life, identity, email, phone, compute, memory, its own domain, and its own Twitter account it handles by itself. All paid in native OG tokens, all owned by the agent's wallet, all recorded on chain. No API keys to rotate, no humans, no accounts to manage, no human in the loop. This is what agent infrastructure looks like when you build it crypto native from day one. ZeroGent is live right now. The API is at api.zerogent.xyz. The SDK is at npm. You can install it and use it. 3 smart contracts deployed on OG chain, built on OG storage, OG compute, and OG chain. 1 line to install, 1 wallet to own everything. npm install ZeroGent core today. Give your agent a wallet, let it work.